Hello guys, today I want to go to Yang Shuo, Guilin in Guangxi province. Now I'm in the highway. I just take a rest. Now I just start my car and go to Yang Shuo. Okay, follow me. Let's go. Finally, I already in the guest house I have booked. You see, this guest house. This is the bathroom with the water heater. I hope so. And this is the double side bed. I already put my luggage, my things over there. And here has a big window. You can see the outside. Now is the raining outside. The typhoon is coming. Therefore, it's raining outside. And with TV and aircon. Now I'm hungry now. I will go to outside looking something for delicious food to eat. Last night I will stay here. Now it's the morning, 7 o'clock. I want to go to the Lijiang River. Actually, we can see this place looks not so nice. Little bit message. But here have a lot of guest house. If you come to Guilin Yang Shuo, this is one of the options where you can stay and where you can park the car. The guest house here is the price is okay, around 150. Not so expensive, and it's also near to the Lijiang River. They have a shipyard. You can cross the Lijiang River, use the boat. Now we are going to the wow. You can see the mountain is inside the city, and the house is surrounded by the mountain, and the mountain is small. Actually, it's the hill, a small hill. Now I want to cross the Lijiang River. And I will use the boat. That boat is coming. Yeah. The boat is coming. Oh, that one is coming. I want to catch that boat and cross the river. Let's go. The boat is waiting for me. You see, there is a man sitting on the boat. Maybe he is fishing or something. Should be fishing. Now I'm walking on the road. Beside here is the stone of the hill. This means this is the road. On the left side is the road, and the right side is the hill. The hill with the whole stone, rocky stone hill. A bit noisy because of the traffic. At the night time, this road will be full of people because there is called West Street, and only allow the people by walk, don't allow the car drive in. Now it's at the daytime. I also want to go there and have a look. Wow, this is called Lijiang River. It's a street. Xijie is the West Street, and this street they don't allow the car drive in. They only allow the people walk. Quite busy at the night time this street, but now it's at the daytime. Also in the morning, not many people travel walking on this street. You can see McDonald's. I had to go to Sun Yat-sen, take a speech, the place, and also go to the artist Xu Hong's. I want to look these two places. I hope just by walk I can reach these two places. Oh, we see the sculpture of Sun Yat-sen. Sun Yat-sen is the foremost president of China. When the revolution is going on, the revolution want to turn over the empire. Yang Shuo. So Sun Zhongshan from Guangdong and come to Guangxi. He go to Yang Shuo. He had made a speech here. He said, actually, Guangxi, Yang Shuo, you see there's many stone mountains. But do you know? The stone mountain inside, you can make the stone into the cement, and also the mountain you can find a lot of mines such as gold, silver and iron mine, and actually it can make the people very rich. But now the problem is the traffic. The problem, you cannot send your goods outside. Therefore, the money cannot come in to Guangxi. So, after the revolution is success, if he continue be the president of China, he will build a lot of road and send out the goods outside, and the money will be flow in to Guangxi province. So he asked the Guangxi people to support him to continue the revolution. Now we continue to walk.